So in this video, we're going to be going over one backhand, one forehand. So we're going to be going over the footwork for this to make sure that you're able to keep up both sides in the rally while maintaining a consistent quality on both the backhand and forehand. So main thing we'll focus on for this exercise is mainly just the footwork and the transition, right? So after the backhand drive, we're going to make sure we're going to straight away sidestep, do like a wider sidestep to the forehand, and then quickly transition to the forehand loop, where we quickly do action again, and then we're going to quickly sidestep back, and then transition back to the backhand drive. So going into the transition, we want to make sure that when we finish our backhand drive, as we're sidestepping to the forehand, we want to keep it in the middle and then bring it back. So then that makes the transition a little bit easier to the forehand drive, to the forehand loop, sorry, and it should be a little bit more natural, right? So again, backhand drive, we're going to finish in the middle, and then if we know we're going to move to the forehand, we're going to move and then transition to the forehand loop straight away. So that way, it's like a triangle, and that should make it a little bit more efficient to transition between your two backhand and forehand systems. Okay, so here's what it will look like for this exercise. So backhand drive, transition to the forehand, and then as we're doing the transitions, we're going to make sure we're constantly staying low and we're moving as well, sidestepping on both sides, constantly moving after each shot. 1, 2, 3, 4.